Hey guys, we're here at Palm Overhome's house in Seminole. I'm here today with Saul, and today guys we're gonna go over this small little home. It's called the Campana 28 by 56. Available in different floor plans too, and you're able to rearrange it, modify it. This is available in our lot. We also have a couple of orders coming online within the next 2 months or even before. So if you're looking for something nice and affordable, well, we have this home. We're also going to tell you guys more about our red tag sales that is going on here at Palm Overhome Seminole. What it comes included and what discounts are we giving as well. It's not only the red tag sale, but we're also giving the store discount too. So if you come here to Palm Over Seminole, you're gonna get that extra discount too. So guys, right now we're in the Campana. It's gonna be a 20 by 56. This is gonna be the way you guys basically see here. It's gonna be base price. It only has a couple of things that are gonna be upgrades. For example, just flooring throughout, the stainless steel appliances, and the smart panel siding. But the way you look at it, this house is just gonna be base price. Depending the way you're able to modify it. If you don't want to wait more than 9 months or a year to get this home, well, we have a couple of orders for you guys. So I was going to tell you guys about the homes. We have orders starting from single wides to double wides, and then what kind of discounts would starting from $5,000 to up to $30,000 off the red tag sale. So I'll tell them more about the homes we have on sale.
So we guys have a couple of single wides. On the single wides, we do have up to $5,000 in discount. We do have some 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, fully taken texture. We got the vinyl walls and everything. So we do have a couple single wides. I believe we have up to 6, 7 single wides. On double wides, we do have like 20 homes on double wides from 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, fully taken texture, vinyl walls. On the double wides, you get up to $15,000 of discount on a double wide also. We do have homes for September, October, November, December, all the way to next year. So if you're looking for a home really quick, you don't have to wait. You don't want to wait 7 to 9 months to get here. We do have homes for y'all, so we can definitely help you out.
Yeah. Just also, I was saying we do have so many homes, double wide, especially coming offline this month. Starting from 89,900, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, trying to get out of the lot too as well. So we don't want to get here in our store. Come into the store, get you approved. Maybe the banks ask for a down payment, bring your down payment. The bank's not going to ask for a down payment. Well, that's amazing, You get it approved with even that same day, latest 3 days. The banks are working with ITINs, line home packages, 0 down payment. If you have line you want to use as collateral, you can put a 0 down payment as well. We have a new program called Land Plus, my bad. That could be from 30 to 60, maybe 90 day closing, even sooner, just depending how fast we work. We have 80 lenders right now, even working with 575 credit scores with the possibility of 5% down, just depending where you stand in your application and your situation. Right now, we've been getting a lot of people approved and giving them those opportunities with the lenders. So don't let that opportunity go, especially now that it's a red tag sale. Lenders are giving you guys more better rates, so don't miss that. Tenemos muchas casas, en especial ahorita. Aquí estamos en la Campana que mide 28 por 56. Como la mira esta casa básicamente es lo más básico, no tiene muchos lujos, nomás tiene como 3 cosas, que es el piso en toda la casa, la pared de madera todo alrededor y los stainless steel appliances, que viene siendo el lujo. Pero todo lo demás, como se mira aquí, es básico. Esta casa la tenemos ahorita con descuento, no la que está en el lote, pero la que va a ir pronto, la tenemos con más de $15,000 de descuento. Entonces, si quiere esta casa, la quiere ver de diferentes colores, la tenemos aquí en nuestro lote para que la puedan ver y la tenemos en la computadora también. Tenemos sencillas, dobles, también ya ordenadas más de 40 casas, empezando de 59,900, 89,900 dobles, o todo depende de lo que andan buscando. No pierdan el tiempo porque pues ahorita para ordenar una casa dura de 8 o 9 meses, que la puede agarrar en un mes hasta una semana. So, no dejen esa oportunidad. Saúl también les va a dejar saber cómo se trabaja con los paquetes con terreno y también si ocupan ir con terreno también cómo se ayudar, también las horas de la tienda, cuándo pueden venir y open house.
So we do work with land and home packages and then land and loop. If you have a land and you don't have a down payment and you want to get a home pretty quick, we do work with the land and loop. So what that means is you can put the home as a down payment and the land as a down payment. And that will definitely help you out with down payment. If you have a land already, you're just looking for a home only, again, the process can go from less than a month. Honestly, it's a quick process. The more we clear the conditions, the faster you get the home also. First of all, we want to get you approved. So if you have any questions, concerns, give us a call, 432-201-1480. We are going to be open Monday to Friday from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock in Mexico time. And Saturdays we do have open house. You can come out, check out the homes, and get some more information from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Yep.
If y'all want to make an appointment for Sundays, we do come Sundays too. So if y'all can come during the week, we can make an appointment for Sunday.
We'll make arrangements for you guys.
Yeah, we make appointments for Sunday also.
We are delivering our way to Farmington area. We are delivering our way to like Houston area. We are delivering anywhere from Texas to New Mexico, even in the Four Corners, depending which Arizona area and New Mexico area. So we are starting to deliver that side. Also in Oklahoma, depending where you're going to. So if you guys have any questions or arrangements of how to get approved or what is needed to deliver a home over there, let us know. Right now our lenders, again, they're approving on most of a lot of people, just depending on the situation, giving them the opportunity. So we try to submit it to a couple, you know, see what they basically where you stand at, best rate, best monthly payment, put you in a home, they live in the house. You know, the holidays are coming in. You know, we have Halloween, we have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss this red tax sale to get a discount, plus a store discount, get you approved, and then by later in the year, you'll probably be living Happy New Year, say your house. So guys, stop by here at Palmer House in Seminole, and you know, we're gonna give you a little tour about this house. So this is gonna be the kitchen. Again, you do have your nice island on this side. You do have your cabinets with your appliances included standard. So basically what's gonna be standard is gonna be your range, your refrigerator, and your range hood. That's gonna be standard. You are gonna have your 30-inch cabinets. They're gonna be 12-inch depth, which that basically means you're able to fit a lot of dishes. You are gonna have your adjustable shelves. You know, super easy, just push the button, put it down, put it higher, just depending on how you height yourself. In this particular home, you're also gonna get your blinds, you know, as a villager. This is gonna be like Campana throughout the house. The benefit about this is that you don't have to purchase any of them whenever you get your home. You're already saving yourself from anywhere from $500 to $600 of blinds. You are gonna have your cornices standard in the living room and in the dining room and in the kitchen too. That's gonna be standard. This is gonna be the living area. The cool thing about this floor plan, it is a 28 by 56 footer. You're able to 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but you're also able to order within a 4-bedroom. So if you need more space, you need more private for your family, your kids, you can customize this home and get a 4-bedroom, which we have 2 available of those 4 bedrooms. So don't let that go. You are gonna have, again, your vinyl walls. There are gonna be sheetrock with a vinyl finish. Benefit about that is not paper. You know, kids love to color on that. Kids like to throw food on that. Get a rag, clean it up, and you'll just get it like brand new. Another thing that you're gonna see too are gonna be the little, I forgot the word, connections, the plugs. You're gonna see them all over the house. Basically, the benefit about that is, you know, back in the day you will struggle to, oh, well, I need to put one here. Well, now you're gonna see them all over the house. A lot of plugs, standard too. The cool thing about people love about this house, it's a little messy here, but we have our trim up supplies. But this is going to be your pantry, you know. Around this time, people are trying to avoid going to Sam's Club or going to Walmart because of COVID. Well, you know, you're able to load yourself with a whole 2 months and not go, and save yourself from not getting COVID, guys. And on this side, you're gonna have your utility room. You know, you're able to put your washer and dryer, super spacious. Right here, you're able to put your refrigerator for your cabinets. Again, like, you know, you're gonna put another side refrigerator here. You're trying to avoid COVID, you know, fill it up with meat and chicken. We're good for the year.
Y'all want to fall into the master bedroom. So this will be your master bedroom right here. It's really spacious. You are gonna have your LED lighting also. You are gonna have your closet, your big walk-in closet over here. We don't have no light right now, but you can still kind of see it. It is really spacious. I know if there was like a guy and a girl, this will be the guy section. This will be the girl section on this side. It's really spacious, and you do have a lot of space for your shoes, girls. So I know the girls have up to 20 plus shoes, so it's really spacious for y'all. Like Susan was saying, you do get the blinds also, the 2-inch blinds. It's that it comes with the home, and then you're gonna get your vinyl windows. That's another cool about these blinds. Also, you don't have the string no more. You can just pick it up and you can pull it down. On the vinyl windows, it goes up, and you can bring it in. You can clean from the inside. It doesn't be heat resistant, so if you put a lighter like a fire, put your hand right here, you won't be able to. You won't burn your hand. So that's another neat thing about our homes. On this side of the home, you're gonna have your master bath. You're gonna have your shower, your tub, and your sink, and your 2 mirrors. Also, again, this one's standard. You're gonna have your sink right here. You have your tub, and then you have your walk-in shower on this side too. Again, like we were saying earlier, the home is just gonna be fully flooring. So that's like an upgrade for us. And then you are going to have your plugs, like I said, at least on each wall. You're going to have at least 1 or 2 plugs on each wall. If you come to the side of the house, we're going to have the second restroom and the 2 other rooms.
If you want to follow me, we're going to go to the bathroom, the other 2 guest rooms, which are super spacious, okay, guys? I am here in the guest bathroom. You are going to have your nice commode. You're going to have a sink. You are going to have also your LED lighting and your exhaust fan too. People want an exhaust fan, so that is standard as well. You are going to have your 3-piece bathroom. Easy to clean. It's going to be white standard. Vinyl walls included. Spacious. You know, you don't have to feel crowded in here. And this side, we're going to have the second bedroom. This is going to be a queen-size bedroom, guys. You have you're able to fit a nice queen-size bedroom with the 2 nightstands if you want to, a nice chair, a closet in this side, which is going to be also a same size, almost like the pantry room. Want to come here? If you want to stop renting a storage for your cobijas, well, you can put it in here too as well. You know, why you rent a storage whenever you're able to put a little bit more stuff in your closets. Super easy. Again, you have more storage here, guys. And then we're gonna go to the last guest room. And again, you will see a lot of the plugs all over the bedroom. This will be the final guest bathroom, the final guest bedroom, the number 3. LED lighting as well, your 2-inch blinds, vinyl wall, flooring throughout. Again, this is gonna be an option. We have it here on display for you guys to see it. You do have another closet on this side, same size as the other one. So if you guys are curious or wanting to see how you guys are able to get approved, you guys are always able to go to our Palm store here at Seminole, or visit our website, Palm Homes and Facebook. We're the young hustlers with Saúl, Leslie, Moraima, myself, Jesus. We are all bilingual. Todos hablamos español. Si tienen dudas o cómo saber cómo aplicar, búsquenos. No tengan miedo de nomás hablar el teléfono, levantar el teléfono y no saber qué es lo que puede hacer, porque sabe que una llamada le puede cambiar la vida. Puede dejar una casa nueva. Entonces vengan a vernos aquí. Estamos localizados entre medio de Hablo y Seminole. Si vienen de Hablo para Seminole, estamos a una milla a la derecha. Si vienen de Seminole a Hablo, estamos antes de entrar a Hablo a la izquierda. If you guys are looking for us, we're here at Palm Home Seminole by the state line of Hablo, New Mexico, and Seminole, Texas. We're open every day from Monday to Sundays. We're closed on Sundays, but if you guys are wanting to come in, we'll arrange something to make it appointment for you guys, so we can get everything started and give you guys those discounts. Our store number is going to be 432-201-1480. We all have our personal numbers or contact. If you want to talk to somebody in particular, you guys can. We do give out referrals. Every referral that you guys referred, even though you didn't buy a home, but they bought a home and you referred them, and they have to buy a home period from Palm Home, you will be getting a $500 gift card from Amazon. Pretty cool. Who doesn't want a free card from Amazon? So guys, again, don't miss the Red Tag sales. Come here with ourselves, Young Hustlers, and we're excited to help you guys out.